On today's menu, an easy recipe that'll have you ready to rock and roll. Vegan green dragon roll sushi. Lei home ma everyone, I'm Will Young. If you haven't already checked out the first ever vegan ramen cookbook, you can do so in the link above or a link in the description box below. Vegan sushi is so easy to make. This is how you do it. Wash and drain 1 cup of sushi rice 3 to 4 times until the water becomes clear. 1 cup water. Medium-high heat. When the water starts to bubble, give it a good stir, turn the heat down to low, and cover for 15 minutes. 1 cup canned chickpeas, 2 tablespoons tahini, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds, splash of hot sauce, a pinch of pink salt, splash of lemon juice, mash with a fork. When the 15 minutes is up, turn the heat off, let it continue to steam for another 10 minutes. Transfer the rice to a large mixing bowl. A couple tablespoons rice vinegar. Mix and spread the rice along the sides of the bowl, then let it cool for 5 minutes. Cover your sushi mat with cling film, nori. Dip your hands in water, then spread a thin layer of rice on your nori. Leave a small space at the top of your sheet. Sprinkle generously with black sesame seeds. Flip. Chickpea filling. Roll the mat over while pressing into the sushi roll. Avocado. Peel. Slice the avocado thinly. Carefully spread and place the avocado on the roll. Sprinkle with black sesame seeds. Cover the roll with cling film. Carefully tighten the roll by twisting the sides. Slice. Roll the sushi over and remove the cling film. Plate. soy sauce. You can now host the all-you-can-eat sushi at home with absolute confidence. And the next time you have all-you-can-eat sushi will be at your house. Just incredible. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.